Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to clean a front load washing machine gasket. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the gasket on a front load washing machine. And the reason that you have to clean this is because of gravity. Water is going to hold down here. Gravity is going to hold the water down here. So water will sit in the gasket. I said water is going to hold down here. I meant water is going to sit down here. Okay? So you need to clean it or else you'll get a buildup of stuff. And it's kind of hard to see this now. I'm going to just try and angle the camera so you can see it. But you can see there's a buildup of a little bit of detergent remnants over there. And if you don't clean it, you'll get some lint, some hair, even some mold and mildew. So what you need to do is get a cloth like this. You don't want to use a paper towel or anything because it might come apart. Just a regular cloth and wet it. And you want to use your favorite type of cleaner that makes sense to use in the washing machine. Now remember, if you use a cleaner here, that cleaner is going to sit on the gasket, so it has to make sense that it's going to be mixed with the washing machine detergent and fabric softener or whatever else you use. So keep that in mind. I personally just use water. So this cloth right here, despite how it looks, is clean. It looks dirty, but trust me, it's clean. The water that comes out of here is spotless, okay? It's just because I've used it so many times for things to clean things around the house. So with this, it's just water on it. That's all that I use just to wipe it off. So what I like to do is I start off on the gasket. You can see right there, right? So I start off on the outside of the gasket and I'll take this cloth and I'll just wipe this down. Now you don't need to go crazy with it. Just wipe off whatever's there. Okay, and make sure you're not making it too damp or too moist. Because if you make it too moist, it's going to defeat the purpose and it will end up accumulating even more because it's going to stay moist. We're trying to eliminate the dirt, debris, and what moisture has caused. So you don't want to add any moisture significantly. As you can see right here, there's a little bit of lint over here. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to clean the further part of the gasket that sort of sits on the outside. Okay, just wipe it. Like I said, just wipe it with your favorite cleaner and make sure the cleaner makes sense to use in a washing machine. Go ahead and wipe the entire gasket. You don't have to watch me wipe the entire thing. But go ahead and wipe the lip of the entire gasket like that. Then you're going to clean the spots that you can see, which shouldn't be that dirty because these spots usually dry out. So just clean the spots that you can see like that. Then what you're going to want to do is pull that gasket back, okay? You're going to sort of pull it back and open it up like that. So now I can get inside of here, take your cloth, and just wipe inside of here. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty, let's see if you can see this right there. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. There's quite a bit of buildup. And I clean this often. I'm telling you, this is not something that I don't clean often. I clean this quite often, but it still builds up. I recommend that you clean your gasket for your front loading washing machine probably about once a month, okay? You know, there's so many things that you should be doing once a month around the house. Include this with that list of things that you should be maintaining once a month. I like to clean under the couches, really clean under the beds. I do all that about once a month. So you're gonna clean all inside of the gasket, okay? Now, once you're done that, another important step is to let it sit. You don't want to add any moisture by doing a load of laundry. Let it sit, and if you use just barely a damp cloth like I did, you know, if there's barely any water, it should probably dry within like half an hour. And then you can go ahead and do your load of laundry. But go ahead and clean all the way around. You want to make its way all the way around, obviously. Now, the majority of the buildup will be on the bottom because of gravity, but you want to clean the gasket all around in all directions. Very simple. Just get your cloth in there, really wipe it down, and you're going to notice how clean it is. On the floor, now, I don't know if you can see this when I bring it down, but there's a significant mess. It's hard to tell on the camera, but that's just what I clean right now in a matter of a couple minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean this more in depth and thoroughly. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.